Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. For my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. So today we are going to be talking about how to make a face toner that actually hydrates, moisturize the skin and also balance the skin pH. And here is part of the ingredients. We have here chamomile water. Remember, we've already bring out our beakers and set them aside. So number one, chamomile water. Here is allantoin, and we are using niacinamide as well. So this is niacinamide PC. It's not the regular niacinamide. Then we are also using the panthenol powder, which is also called vitamin B5. We are also using propylene glycol, glycerin. So these two combos are good humectants that will actually attract moisture to the skin. So without taking much of your time, let's get to work. So what we are going to do first is to measure out our water. And this is not just the regular water. This is the ionized water. You can use the ionized water or you use floral water, you use distilled water. So we are making 200 ml of this toner. So I'm going to take this water to double boiling, but I'm not going to use all. I just have to use part of it. So what we are going to do now is that we measure out our water and we actually share it into two parts. Why I'm doing this, I like sharing my water into two parts because I don't want to take the whole water to double boil. So the next thing is to add allantoin. The only reason I'm taking this toner to double boiling is because I am adding allantoin. Without allantoin, I wouldn't have taken it to double boiling. And why I'm taking it is that I want this toner to be clear. I don't want it to be cloudy, because allantoin can actually make your toner cloudy if it's not clear. So the only way for you to make your toner clear is for you to take this allantoin to double boiling, so it can actually heat up a bit to like 40-50 degrees Celsius. Then it will dissolve. So this is on the double boiling. I'm putting it direct because this is heat resistance, and as you can see, this is just 48 degrees and it has already cleared. So we are back to our workstation and see how this water is already clear. And here we are going to start adding other ingredients. This is niacinamide PC. We are using some quantity of it. Stay tuned. I'm going to drop the formula in this video, so it's something you can try out. It's very effective. And here we are going to be putting DL panthenol powder, which is also called vitamin B5. This is a good hydrating powder. It works just like glycerin, but this will not make this toner to be very dragging on the skin. So we are using some quantity of it. Then we are going to mix them together. So this toner will actually moisturize the skin. It will help hydrate the skin. It will balance the skin pH, and it will glow the face very well. So the quantity of what we are using here, we are using niacinamide 4 gram, DL panthenol 7 gram. Then remember, we are also using glycerin and other things. So just mix them together, give it a very good stir. So panthenol powder can actually dissolve in water, but you just have to be patient and give it a very good stir. Just stir it with just your basic equipment and it's going to incorporate after some time. So you can spray this on your face. Then I also have to check if the water that we double boil has really cooled down, because I don't want to introduce it direct. Remember, niacinamide and DL panthenol are heat sensitive. I don't want to lose their new strength in this formula at all. So I mix everything and set it aside. You can use this as a spray. You can use this to tone your face. Make sure you use it to tone your face before introducing your serum or your face cream. You notice that your face is going to look well clean, well moisturized, and it's even also going to help to treat minor burns, redness and all that for people that have sensitive face. So we are using glycerin. So the quantity I'm putting here is just 10 gram because I am doing 200 ml of this toner. So I'm using 10 gram of vegetable glycerin. This is not whitening glycerin, this is vegetable glycerin. Then we are going to also add propylene glycol as a penetration enhancer and also an humectant. So propylene glycol, we are using just 6%. We are not using that much. And like I said, you can do this and sell. You can use it as your DIY. If you're a commercial brand, you can sell it as a simple face toner for your customer. this is what I do, and it has been working very, very well for me. So in this channel, we talk about how to grow your business, how to launch and relaunch, contract manufacturing, white labeling. So, and we also give advice if you want to set up your own standard lab or factory, NAFDAC standard. So that is all we do. So I've the water has cooled down to the temperature I want, so I'm simply going to mix the two of them together to actually give it a good blend. So we're almost getting to the end of this toner. You see that it's very, very simple to make. I have to turn it into this other bigger beaker so that I'll be able to stir it very well. So yeah, I'm going to introduce the other this chamomile water, chamomile hydrosol. So I didn't fragrance this product at all because it's a face product. I don't like adding fragrance to my face products, and if I do, it will definitely be essential oil and it's going to float, so it will then require me start adding like a solubilizer, which I am not ready for that. So I just add this chamomile water, and this chamomile water actually help to give it a very beautiful scent. It gives it a very beautiful scent, so there is no artificial fragrance in it. So the next is I'm going to add my preservative, and I am using soy backed. Soy backed is a good preservative that has the pH between 3 to 8. So that is why I am using it, and I'm just using 2 ml. So I'm using my dropper to just take out the 2 ml, add to it. So, and now our toner is ready. The next thing that we are just going to do is for us to just stir it and make sure, as a formulator, as a product maker, make sure you always balance the pH of your product. Make sure you check the pH of your product, because you can actually have a good product, but if the pH does not align, it's going to do the reverse effect. Like, it's not going to do what it's supposed to do. So that's why most people, after spending lots of money formulating products, at the end of the day, people will still complain that it's not working. Can you see the pH? The pH is balanced. It's balanced, you know, because as a toner work between the pH of 5 to 7, and look at it, it's between. So this is good, and we are just going to go ahead to pour this into our bottle, our toner bottle. And I think I want to color some part of it. Since it's 200 ml, I want to color 100 ml. I just want it to have this beautiful aesthetics. So you can decide to color it with any color that you want to, but make sure it's water soluble. Don't use oil soluble color, because it's not going to incorporate. It's going to float at the top, except you have a solubilizer. Even as at that, I don't really use oil based color in my water products. So this toner is something you can use every day. It's for all skin type. It's for all skin tone. It's a very beautiful toner, you get. So what you just do is that you can put this in a spray bottle. You can put it in you can dab it into your face after you've washed your face, after you finish taking your brush, and you want to introduce your serum and your face cream. So it will actually help to moisturize and glow your face. And you as a commercial brand, you can also make this and sell to your customer. So in case you are into skincare and you don't really like formulating and you don't really know how to formulate, we can actually help to develop formula for you, for your brand, and also we can produce, package, and do everything for you. Then you don't just have to stress yourself. Just sit down and focus on your marketing. That is what we do for brands. And that is why you see a lot of brands will just launch today and tomorrow they are everywhere, because sometimes it's not easy to manage production, manage marketing, business operation. It can be draining. So if you have watched to this time and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have any question, you can drop them on the comment section, or you can reach out to me. I'm going to be dropping my number in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying till now. If there is anything you want us to talk about, or there is any product you need a clarity, kindly drop a comment, the next video you want to see, and we will work on that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. See how beautiful it is. This is why I color the other products. Look at it here. It's very, it's very moisturizing, it's very hydrating on the skin. Oh my goodness. And the fragrance is really, really good. Remember, I didn't even use fragrance in this product. It's just the floral water, like chamomile chamomile water that I use that actually helped to give it a natural floral fragrance. And it's really beautiful. Face is very sensitive. That is why I didn't do this. Bye.